Blanche. I'm a field application on semiconductor. Today we are at the Vision show at Stuttgart, and we will show you some demonstration of our process. So here we have a demonstration base for machine vision stereo camera. So we are using three global shutter here, 1 megapixel. It's a 1/4 inch. They're linked on ISP here. It's our coprocessor. We do also have a 4 megapixel rolling shutter on the right here. It's a 1/3 optical inch. This one is also linked to a coprocessor. And the good thing of this demonstration is that the three sensors are synchronized on the tachometer signal of the fan, meaning that you see the fan is moving, but here the picture seems to be still. But actually we are still live. So you can see that the global shutter is reducing the movement of the fan, meaning that it's a kind of still picture. And the rolling shutter here, the one we're using, has a high speed frame rate, meaning that we are using 120 FPS or less, and you're reducing this motion blur you could have with rolling shutter.